Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import a wallet into your Phantom wallet. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Of course, firstly you will need just to have your Phantom extension on your web browser as follow. And if you don't already have it, you will need just to type Phantom wallet on your web browser and you will need just to search for this website, or you can just directly go to the URL section and type phantom.app. After that, you will need just to download the extension or just click on download so you can have the extension for any specific browser that you are using, and then you will need just to access to your Phantom extension so you can access to your wallet. So basically, you will need just to add your account or set up your wallet, etc. And after that, you will have this main menu. And basically, to import any wallet, you will need just to manage your accounts or wallets from this navigation bar or nav menu. You click here, and basically here you can find the manage accounts and add connect wallet. From here, we will be able to import our wallets, either it was a hardware wallet or import any private key, so you can import a single chain account. Or you can have an add an account, I mean any accounts that you would like, and from the account you can add some addresses so you can have addresses for other wallets. So basically you will need just to click import. You will need to choose which token name, and then you add the private key and you will click on uh, import. And after that, you will just click import and you will have the wallet which will be imported successfully into your Phantom wallet. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.